Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to teach you this border. This is called border. See, like this. We make this on the edges. I have made this small sweater and I put this border here like this. I'm going to tell you how to make this border. This you can put on the border, or you can put on the neckline like this, or on the sleeves here like this. So I'm going to tell you this. So let's start. These stitches, I have some random stitches. You can make as many stitches as you want or as you required. So first stitch is purl. First stitch is knit. Put the thread at the front, and next is purl like this. Put the thread back and knit, and then bring the thread front like this. Purl. Take the thread back and knit. Bring the thread at the front and purl. Then back and knit. As you know, for knitting you put the thread at the front and purl like this. And for knitting you will take the thread back and knit. So all the row is like this. So it is same like the other one. You can see these stitches are knit stitches, and this one is purl stitch, and then knit stitch, and then purl stitch, knit stitch and purl stitch. So again we will do knit, and then for purling you will bring the thread at the front and purl one like this. And for knitting, take the thread back and then knit like this, and purl like this. So this design is not only for to make edge. You can make anything with this design you like. You can make scarves, or you can make bags, anything. But mostly people use this for border. I am telling you only how to make this border. I'm not telling you about how to which kind of wool you use or which kind of needle you use. The needle and wool you will use with whichever you like, or how many stitches you want. You can put like that. It's knit one and purl one. Knit one and purl one. So this is how to make border. because it looks good when you put on the edges. See, like this, it looks good. See, on the sleeves here and here, the finishes become really good. See, the borders on the sleeves and at the neck and at the here on the border here. And also you can make like a buttonhole. This is all the same design here and this, but this is not that one. I hope you will like my video, and please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.